Capstone Assignment 6. Mitigation and adaptation have been proven extremely relevant to climate change. Mitigation and mitigation strategies have been especially prominent in India and the Indian government. The mitigation of non-CO2 species poses a potential threat to the Indian community. They can provide short-term cooling benefits, but in the long run, they provide no stabilization. India is vulnerable to climate change mitigation because most of India's emissions come from energy and coal-based production, then industry, then agriculture. India needs to start using solar power, nuclear power, hydroelectric power, windmills, etc. to mitigate climate change. In 2000, carbon emissions in India were reduced by 18 million tons. 120 million more tons can potentially be achieved within the next decade. Climate change mitigation has a huge negative impact on the health of the population and communities of India. As India burns more fossil fuels, temperatures increase, and new diseases emerge. Cholera, diarrhea, malaria, dengue, and chikungunya have spread around Indian communities. There is polluted water, insanitary conditions, hunger, and malnutrition prominent to these communities. India does, however, have plans to mitigate climate change. Drip irrigation, aerobic cultivation, and researching different methods to further improve agriculture are all in India's future. Indian scientists are also trying to put a stop to stubble burning. Forestation and planting need to increase as well in order to bring down atmospheric CO2 levels.